the best way to think about this is, first and foremost, keep things that are powered by lithium-ion batteries close to you, because you want to be able to respond if the thing starts smoking. If it's in your checked baggage in the belly of the aircraft, nobody can get to it in order to be able to deal with a potential lithium battery thermal runaway. If it's in the bag that you put underneath the seat in front of you, you're going to be able to see it quickly. You're going to be able to call a flight attendant who's trained to be able to deal with these issues, and you'll be able to deal with that situation. The second thing that I would suggest is that be nice to your device. When you put it into your backpack, your purse, or maybe even your carry-on luggage, make sure that it's cushioned, that it's not next to your keys and change and whatever else that might be metal in your bag, because one of the problems is when there might be a short circuit by something coming into contact with another piece of metal, that can become a problem. And then the other thing that I would say about that is make sure that your device is well cared for before you bring it onto the airplane. If you've got a cracked screen, if it's bent, those kind of things, maybe you should replace it because it might not be good for you anywhere, but please don't bring it on an airplane, because that's where the risk is a little bit higher, because a little problem on the ground is a little different than a problem at 40,000 feet.